Remember PNP make some of you know so you can buy phone. A PNP revolutionize the telecom. When you know one rub out Philip Palwell and call him a Philip Palwell. Philip Palwell. His name can't stop call. And no wonder they cannot get rid of him at Eastern Central. Well, can't get rid of him at East Kingston. He must be turned till he dead. Or when he ready for move. Philip Palwell. Make some of you know so you can buy phone. Come attack. As me say burn me. Some depend internet a text all kind of fool. That Philip Palwell and the PNP. Make some of you know so you can buy phone. Well, you don't know about phone. Well, I don't sit down with house phone. And cable and wireless sabotage, you know. And the PNP come bring in Digicel and give cable and wireless a competition. And now no have Flo and Clara and all of the things them thanks to the PNP. And we revolutionize Jamaica. Every major development we can think of. PNP mark stamp on it. Can you imagine Sexy Princess under the Jamaica Labour Party? We have to go and congregate a phone box. Everybody here say you're a thief. Any little thing you want, go beg and borrow and call people. Everybody in the line hear your business. A PNP come up with the cell phone. So no Labour right can tap on Facebook and internet all over text shit. It burn me when I see them have the gadgets them in their hand. I do all kind of manner of evil. You know, God Almighty will continue to bless the PNP. Because of the People's National Party make some man who can have phone in a hand and text foolishness for internet. Not a lie, me not tell is the truth. And then they come and talk about Philip Palwell. Philip Palwell will be remembered for something. If Andrew Yai shut a man in. I know nothing good. Andrew would be remembered. Me no see what Andrew bad to bad people. Come and make me take a break. 12:30. Jamaica. Bad to bad. People have said whatever with Siaga, but then see a film idea was heart trust. Alright, we can say Siaga dead and gone. We can say we remember him for heart trust. Look on the PNP. Look on Mama P. Mama P out of the political whatever now, right? You can't remember Mama P for Operation Pride. All of them are house which are to see in some develop and Mama P give them the little piece of land, you know. Ordinary people who are working at hotel, housekeeper, farm. Mama P give them 1 square of land. And look on the mansion also them bill put on the little P Operation Pride. That Mama P will be remembered for at least Operation Pride. When you look pam PJ Patterson, nobody talk about the highway. If I even the highway them, that is a legacy of PJ Patterson. Me want to show me the legacy of the Jamaica Labour Party. Me not kuya them all remind me about JAUTC and all of them a good something here. Me not go down in the achievements of the PNP. Me just a talk 1 and 2 little something them when me know any comrade, any PNP should have step away from the PNP and say we now run back. We know they will be remembered for something. Show me sitting where Andrew will be remembered for. Up to now, me can't say the new social housing program because a long time people get poor house. I know nothing new. The new social housing program I go and be Andrew Wellness legacy because building house to the poor is nothing new. Me have to pause Jamaica because me say every single revolutionary thing will take place in that country where we uplift the lives of the people. The PNP name stamp of approval upon it. Me want to show me the legacy of the Jamaica Labour Party more than we come and rob a thief and destroy. Philip Palwell, if him should have left the PNP tomorrow and say me now go back, the people of this country will remember Philip Palwell for at least to revolutionize the telecom sector. Every day cable and wireless suck out we eye. We have to congregate a big phone box. Everybody I hear your business. Philip Paul will revolutionize the sector and bring in Clara and Digicel and this and that. If you make summer uno, labor right can have cell phone in a hand. And uno no grateful. Everything uno want to castigate the PNP. The PNP, they are responsible for the development of Jamaica. We make Jamaica what it is today. We, the People's National Party, is telling us this morning that a retained teacher is a gift to our nation. Right now, me can tell you some teachers where me go through. Right now, if me go back to my primary school, me can see back Miss Macchio. Right now, if me go back to my high school, me can see back Miss Johnson. Years! Them sit down there. We must give thanks to the teachers them which that we can retain, pay them, give them concession, give them NHT house, make them feel good. You think I left some Jamaicans who are left and go because of the working conditions. You think Jamaican want left a gone in a cool, gone free and no, they want Tanaya, but because of the working condition, the poor thing, them have to get up way. Can't take the hardship. And you want people make bread out of stone. Want people make bread out of stone. Mighty God of Daniel, Mark Golden remind them, say the corridors full with patient, vital equipment's not working, and the staff doing the work of 3 with the resources of 1. And the same thing going on in education, staff do the work of 3, with the resource of 1. That is a reality. That is a reality, Jamaica. He went on to talk about the first in family scholarships. Full scholarship for the first person in a family to attend university or college. This changes generational trajectories. Can you imagine you have your pitney? 3, 4, 5 pitney you have a tie up your foot. And God Almighty, the PNP said them are going to make the bigger one. That university for free. So at least you know say that the one day when he left university, he having 2, 3 younger brother them fi look out to, Because when him graduate from university, he go get one big job now where can help him mother, help him father, help him younger siblings. And the old dirty bitch them cast a eye blind. Pandemic a good plan, yeah. And put in back the teeth. Uno fi suffer. Uno fi suffer. The good plan. Hear them as something a Mark Golden remind them. When then done they say the PNP, me say anybody write this a budget speech a good Mark Golden. I want soon if you buy a cool red stripe beer. I want soon anybody will write Mark Golden's. You don't realize that the people them use the campaign message and put it right in the and this year speech I go put back next year budget because them are your plan where we are going to put in place. We are going to make them a plan that materialize come 2029 or 2030 whenever they decide to call it. I mean I declare say it a call next year. A piece of disgrace I go take the Jamaica Labour Party so bad that they have to go back to the people. Look and see if it's not going to happen. Me not think Andrew go survive that 3rd term, yeah. When you say Libra, then deserve a NEC. I want to see whoever write Mark Golden speech by him. A shot at NEC. A cold beer, me can't afford my love. $400. Me not have the NEC money at all. I want next year them to put back them same plan in the budget speech for next year and the following year and the because of the same plan we are gonna make materialize 2030. Yeah. Student loan and the first in family scholarship. Full scholarship for the first person in a family to attend university. Or you want to tell me, say Andrew Holness, can thief this style, yeah? Good God, if I have to thief that plan, yeah, and put Jamaica first. I want to choose Jamaica now. I want to hear them a nice, good up plan here. Where if it change the life of people. You couldn't thief that plan here. And so now going to make the first figure to university free. Can you imagine the generational curse? You know the amount of people in other country where have 2, 3, 4 pitney and them education stop at high school. They left high school. After they left high school, they have to go find one work. Or the girl have to go find one little boyfriend, start one family, married, to get little help for family. Eh? You don't think some of you feel say education top of high school, and so some of you feel like some. You come make a comfy summer uno. Summer uno parents feel say from uno pitney graduate from high school. That is it. And that's how the journey just start. Now not gonna too tough cause poor thing them no heavy. Can't knock the people them, the parents them too hard. Can't beat the parents them no have it. And you want to tell me, say Mark Golding come up with them a good plan and the dirty people them turn a blind eye. All because of green. In Eagle Bass, big up yourself, my brother. I want to say good afternoon to all those over there in Senans Bay, Civil Heights, Lime Hall, Ocho San up at the border, a White House, and Ochi. Good afternoon, Northeast St. Anne. Big up yourself. Along a farm, Eagle Bass I come from, from the days of just starting TikTok. Big up yourself, Eagle Bass. I like how you survive, my friend. Can't get you out. Can't get you off of the internet at all. But Jamaica people, you don't hear them a good, nice, decent plan here. Can you imagine you have your pitney them, 2, 3, 4 pitney tie up your foot and not one of them can make one. Not one of them can come hot little water come give you. When they left school, they poor thing, them have to go start a family. Bloom. Pitney, them breed, turn you in a granny. Instead of them pinch and broke bread give you, them have to look after the pitney with them. Can't do no better. Poverty take over the country under the Jamaica Labour Party. I don't lie, me I telling her just the reality. I don't like when me talk the truth, but I just the truth. Pitney I left high school now. From them left high school, the poor parents them not have if you further them I want community college or send them go university. The poor thing them have to go and go look work. Then go they get distracted. Man I look them. Boom. Breed, pitney tie up their foot. Instead of them pinch and broke bread, give them mother. If you take shame out of mommy yai, they have to go and mind pitney. You can't blame. This is how the system set up in this country. You can't go further from high school. And the PNP said them are going to make the first in your family go university. Uno shit pandemic plan ya. Uno fi suffer. Uno fi suffer. Yeah. Uno fi suffer. But what I was so happy to see yesterday, despite the dirty labor right them want to talk about Damien Crawford.